Apple will introduce iPhone SE 2 for $300. Features, release date. After Apple quite unexpectedly arranged lightning-quick sales of the iPhone SE at a significantly reduced price, rumors flared up with a new force about the release of the new version of the iconic iPhone SE 2, which will receive improved features. So, according to new data, iPhone SE 2 will receive a single-chip Apple A11 system and 3 GB of RAM, and the display diagonal will increase from 4 to 4.2 inches. Yes, almost nothing has changed in the smartphone, but he is still far from the new iPhone. However, the price of a future new product will be noticeably lower. Apparently, the Apple Corporation plans to release a really budget smartphone. Users will be offered versions with 32 or 128 GB of flash memory. The main camera will be single, so you should not wait for super photos. At the same time, the prices for the new iPhone SE are called, no matter how it was called in the end, $249 and $299 versions with 32 or 128 GB of storage. This is $100 and $150 cheaper than they once requested for the original iPhone SE. Apparently, due to the ban on iPhone sales in China and Germany, it hit the company financially, so it has to surprise the public with new devices that everyone can purchase. Alas, there is no data on the timing of the release of iPhone SE 2, but it will be a big surprise if its announcement takes place next month. Recall that the original iPhone SE was presented at the March presentation in 2016.